Verifying your Skype account is essential for ensuring security and accessing all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device or visit the Skype website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon. Look for the option labeled Account and Profile or Settings. Step 3. Find verification options. In the Account Settings menu, locate the section for Security or Verification. This may be labeled as Verify Your Account or Security Settings. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. Select your preferred method for verification. This could include receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Follow the prompts to initiate the verification process. Step 5. Enter verification code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code sent by Skype. Enter this code in a designated field on the Skype application or website to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your Skype account will be verified, allowing you to use all features securely.